today's event, I would like to start with a story. This is a story of a boy from Bangalore. I think he had his degree of, he only passed his class 10 by that time. He was buying and selling second hand phones. But why was he doing this? He was not chasing after marks. He was curious. He had no MBA degree, no 12th degree, only exploration was driving him. But when his mother found out, she threw all his phones away. But did that kill his curiosity? No. Even though his business died, but his curiosity was still alive. So consequently, he had interest in stock market. He learned stock market, zero funding, zero investors. Company was not supported by anyone. Everyone told him that he will fail. But his company grew to be the largest stockbroker in India, having 10 million users and trading in billions. And can anyone guess who that person was? So that person was Nikhil Kamath, and he is the founder of Zerodha. I hope you have heard what Zerodha is, right? So the story was about Nikhil Kamath, and this story focuses on curiosity and exploration. We have always been given a map about what to do, what to pursue. Like ever since in school, in like after you go to school and college, we are given a map कि ये course कर लो, ये degree ले लो, and ये job कर लो. Your future is secured. But don't you think that security, that sense of safety, that sense of security is what is holding us back? What if feeling lost is how we will find ourselves? The feeling of curiosity, it is an innate quality. You will see a child more curious than an adult in any firm, in any company, any adult. So why do we kill that curiosity? When we are born to be big, why do we settle for something ordinary? We hold the capability. So this is Maslow's hierarchy of need, and we are provided with the base, which is roti kapda makan. The society, our education system makes sure to provide us with roti kapda makan, but we have to move, when we move instinctively further in the pyramid, which is the peak, self-actualization. Does anyone know what self-actualization is? Anyone? Self-actualization means to know your full potential, to find your purpose, and to live a fulfilled life. For generations, society and education system built to secure the basis of the pyramid. But it fails to actually go on the peak of the pyramid, but I have good news for you. The change is in the air, and we have education system changing for the good. We have NEP, I think you've heard of NEP? NEP policy. So NEP policy is changing the education system, where it will implement the concept of self-actualization, and it will mix various passion fields together. Like firstly, it was that you could only, if you're going for science, so you could only choose the limited subjects which were only related to technology. But now you can mix and choose according to what you want. So even government is realizing how important passion and exploration is. But are we really near to that future where that policy will be implemented efficiently? There is where we come. We are building STICK. STICK is a compass, that the map that I discussed before. STICK is that compass which will help you in that map, which will guide you in this world. It is a ecosystem. It is building a mahal where we can explore, where we validate you on what you want to pursue, on what you want to do. We help students, and we help them through their self-fulfillment journey. And now that brings us to ShiftCon. So ShiftCon 1.0 is the first edition of Stick Convention Shift. It is a 3-day in-person event which will help you to discover your passion, which will help you to explore. So I would like to welcome you all to Stick. Welcome to Shift. Welcome to ShiftCon 1.0.